Good morning, everyone. We will start this session in another half minute. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. The standard disclaimer for our webinars, seminars, and podcasts is disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With this, we start this podcast by analyzing Nifty's daily chart, especially price volume action on the Nifty front. As you can see here, Nifty has had a very good rally, and it advanced in consecutive for 7 trading sessions. And yesterday, it snapped its winning streak, and it closed in the negative territory for the first time in last 8 trading sessions. And Nifty, as we all know, it is trading at a new all-time highs. And apart from Nifty, other key major indices, broader indices, especially mid cap and small cap, are doing are outperforming the Nifty index, and they are also trading at new all-time high levels. And as a Nifty is trading above all-time levels, definitely it will trade above key moving averages. So it is extended from 200 EMA, as you can see here. So one can expect some consolidation here going forward. Uh, there are a couple of factors which are favoring the rally. One is domestic consumption and overall economic factors favoring India. Apart from that, uh, central government winning in state elections as well has uh, increased optimism of a stable government at the center, has increased investor sentiment as well. So these are some of the factors which helped Nifty advance higher. So going forward, as I mentioned, we can expect some consolidation here, and Nifty holding key levels is very key going forward. And coming to market status, we are in confirmed uptrend, and we have seen a follow-through session as well, which reinforces our sentiment on the that is bullish sentiment on the index. And coming to model portfolio, we have been adding stocks to portfolio which are doing good, and already we have good number of portfolio stocks as well. And for more updates about our model portfolio and commentaries and seminars which we do, you can please subscribe to the WhatsApp channel which is there in the chat box to get more updates in quickly. And coming back to Nifty, so tracking weakness is going to be very crucial for the index going forward. Currently, distribution day count is at still 0. If the index falls on higher volume, that is considered as a distribution day. That is 0.2% or more decline on volume higher than the previous session. And if that accumulation of distribution days happens consecutively, then we will consider that as a weakness and will change the market status to under pressure. Until then, we continue to stay in confirmed uptrend. Some of the stocks and news which will impact today's trading session. One is major news is on macroeconomic front. RBI will come up with their MPC outcome today, and according to most of the consensus estimates, the central bank is expected to keep the repo rates unchanged at 6.5%. It's very important to look at the other commentary from the RBI governor to understand how and what are the gauging going forward. So we'll also come up with the small note on this RBI outcome during the session. Please be tuned for that, and you can also WhatsApp will definitely help you to get a quicker update on the RBI outcome as well. And some of the stocks which are in news, one is Olectra has received a letter of award from a municipal corporation in Mumbai. This is to supply and maintenance of 40 electric buses. CONCOR, known as Contractor Corporation, and NTPC, Vidyut Vyapar Nigam, shortly known as NVVN, has signed a memorandum of understanding to set up a PV solar renewable project across CONCOR terminals. Coming to institutional activity, FIs have been net sellers. Yesterday, they have sold more than 1,500 crores of equities. On the other side, domestic institutional investors were also net sellers. They sold on a net basis equity worth of 10 crores. Overnight, US market closed in the positive territory. You can see Dow Jones closed with a minimum gain of 0.2%, whereas S&P and Nasdaq closed pretty much higher with a gain of 0.8 and 1.4% respectively. On the Asian market front, Nikkei is trading 1.7% lower, whereas Kospi and Shanghai are trading in the positive territory. Nifty is also indicating a positive opening for the index. So if that positive opening is sustained, definitely we will see again Nifty making new all-time high and investors making a good amount of gains in the today's trading session. For the chart of the day, we picked LIC Housing Finance. The stock has broken out already from I think stage 1C flat base, and currently it is trading above the ideal buy range. But it is not good to chase extended stocks at this moment. Let the stock to uh, retrace back to its ideal buy range to take a fresh call on this company. Couple of factors which are favoring the stock are one is ratings, EPS of 87, that is dominantly driven by strong sales growth and EPS growth. RS is slightly lower, but RS line has been improving and it has hit the blue dots as well. So again, a positive sign. A by D rating is very good at A plus. That is majorly because of accumulation happening in the stock. You can see whenever the stock has moved higher, the volume has stayed above average, and whenever stock moved down, the volume dried up. A very good sign of accumulation. Number of funds section has also improved predominantly good in the September quarter. You can see here. So overall, on the ratings wise, on the chart wise, price volume action wise, it is looking good, but the entry point is not favoring us. Let's wait for the stock to retrace and come to its ideal buy range to take a call. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.